Okay, this is how you do it. Take a rectangular chunky and put it right here. Oh, this is how to make a microwave. Take a flat yellow piece, rectangular, put it right on top of that. Okay, now take a little rectangular thing, put it right in back of there. Take a one stud and put it right here. Take another one stud and put it like right next to the rectangular one. So it'll look like that. Now take another stud, put it right there. Well, that you don't have to put that stud, I just do that. And take a door flap and put it right there. And put it right on top of that, a flat rectangular piece. Watch. Put whatever you want in there. Okay, now to build the arcade game, you'll need this. Well, just like any flat thing you can find. Now take a rectangular piece, and it's chunky, and put it right here. Take another chunky and put it right here. Take another rectangular chunky, put it right there, and make it into a kind of a square, like that. Now take a toolbox thing, put it right here, like that. And take a cube chunky and put it right here. Take a rectangular piece and put it right here. Another rectangular piece and put it right here. And another one. So it'll look like this. Okay. Take a rectangular piece, obviously, put it here. Take another rectangular piece and put it right here. Another one and put it right here. Take a flat and put it right here. Like a cube chunky and put it right here. So it'll look like this. Fell in love first at first hand. Alright, now take a rectangular chunky and put it right here. Another rectangular chunky and put it right here. Another rectangular chunky, put it right here. Alright, now don't do anything. Take a rectangular chunky, but put it to the side. Now, take 4 of these. Oh, it's hard to see.
Okay, this one's called Wonder Picket Fence.
Alright, this is the hard part. Alright, put it right here. Hanging off. So, now it's gonna look like that. Put that right under the rectangular piece. So it's gonna look like that. Put it right here. See? It's gonna look like that. Okay, now take a 4x6 piece that's gonna look like this, and put that right here. Wait. Alright, never mind. But take this piece, flat flat rectangular piece and put it right here, hanging off. 4 on, 4 off. Take another one and make it hang off. Wait. Alright. Alright, it's gonna look like that. That's better. Now take another one and put it right here. Now take that 4 times 6. That's 6 times 4 and put it right on top of those. Okay. Now take 3 chunkies of the rectangular pieces. Like this. Put them right on back and just connect them there and cover the whole square thing. Alright, turn it back around. Okay, now take 4 of these cube chunkies and put them right on the back. Alright, now it's gonna take another one and put it right on the back. Like that. Okay. Now take take a big rectangular thing, or just stack up take 4 and black rectangular chunkies and stack them up and put them right here, like that. Now take 3 chunkies. And put them right here. Now, if you want to add accessories, put them one right here, right here. You'll see in a minute. Alright, technical difficulties. Now take, a blue one. Oh, wait, never mind. Alright, now it's gonna look like that if you need to. If you want to for accessory. And that's your arcade game and your microwave. Your microwave. Okay, I'm out. Peace. I guess. Alright.